Ukraine's military intelligence has struck a major blow to Russia's air defense in Crimea. On the night of June 26th, and again on July 1st, domestically developed drones and FPV swarm tactics reportedly destroyed parts of the S-400 Triumph system on the Kerch Peninsula. These precision strikes hit key radar units and missile launch platforms, targeting the very core of Russia's regional air defense grid. Thermal satellite data revealed intense fires near the town of Kurotne, where Russia's 31st Air Defense Division operates. The attack was part of a broader plan: create a radar blind spot by overwhelming the area with drones. By disabling both long-range and medium-range radar components, Ukraine appears to have created a corridor in the sky, exposing Russian assets and enabling future naval or aerial operations with less risk. Simultaneously, Ukrainian drone swarms targeted Russian airbases far from the front lines. Explosions were reported in Saratov, Taganrog, Rostov-on-Don, and even near Engel's strategic bomber base. This wave of attacks suggests a coordinated saturation doctrine. Decoy drones attract missile fire, electronic warfare drones jam radars, and kamikaze drones finish the job. Russia claimed to have downed dozens of drones, but the scale and precision of damage indicate otherwise. This marks a turning point. Ukraine's drone strategy is no longer a harassment tactic, but a full-fledged operational capability. These drones are inexpensive and produced in growing numbers, part of Ukraine's broader plan to manufacture millions annually. The strategic implications are significant. Russia now faces a defense dilemma: either redeploy high-value air defense systems from frontline positions to reinforce Crimea, or risk exposing its rear to further attacks. Both choices weaken its position. Additionally, disruptions to strategic bomber bases mean reduced missile salvos on Ukrainian infrastructure. Every delayed sortie buys time for Ukraine to rebuild and prepare. For the Black Sea, the stakes are rising. If radar gaps persist, Ukraine's naval drones can reach Russian ships with less resistance. NATO may face increased pressure to secure sea lanes, potentially leading to maritime military escorts, a politically sensitive move with far-reaching consequences. This strike also underscores Moscow's vulnerability. Relying heavily on radar-centric systems like the S-400 without adequate backup has created exploitable blind spots. Labor shortages, sanctions-induced supply problems, and deteriorating command structures have all contributed to a fragile defense posture. In this new drone-dominated warfare, the cost advantage is undeniable. A single kamikaze drone can neutralize assets worth tens of millions. Ukraine is scaling this advantage rapidly, turning economic asymmetry into battlefield results. As Russia's summer offensive stalls on the ground, its skies are becoming increasingly contested. Ukraine's tactical success in Crimea may mark the beginning of a broader shift, where air superiority no longer hinges solely on jets or missiles, but on swarms of drones operating in coordinated, autonomous waves. The world is witnessing a transformation in modern warfare. With every successful strike, Ukraine demonstrates that technological adaptation can offset numerical inferiority. The race is now on, not just for territory, but for control of the airwaves, radar fields, and future of battlefield dominance. In this evolving chessboard, the pieces are small, fast, and airborne. And Crimea's burning radars may be only the opening move.